In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Google Slides. Changing the background of your slides can add a personal touch, making your presentation more visually appealing and tailored to your specific needs. Whether it's for a school project, a business presentation, or anything in between, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process in just a few steps. Let's start by opening up your web browser and heading over to Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into your search engine or simply navigating directly to docs.google.com presentation. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. If you aren't already signed in, you'll see a prompt asking you to enter your email and password. Just go ahead and sign in as you normally would. Being signed in is essential as it allows you to access your documents and make changes seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the Google Slides homepage. This is where you'll find all your presentations. To begin, you either click on a blank presentation or select one of the templates available. If you have a specific theme or style in mind, these templates can be a time saver as they come pre-formatted with various text styles and graphics. For the sake of this tutorial, let's assume you choose to start with a blank presentation. Click on blank to open a new presentation. Now that your presentation is open, it's time to change the background of your slide. Start by selecting the slide you wish to modify. You'll see a sidebar on the left with all the slides from your presentation. Click on the slide of interest to highlight it. Once you've selected your slide, look for the background button right at the top of your screen on the toolbar. It's straightforward, just click on it. On clicking background, you'll see a small window pop up. This window provides you with two main options to customize your slide background. You can either choose a plain color, which offers a palette of various hues, or you can go with an image. If you want an image as your background, click on choose image. You'll be given options to upload from your computer, Google Drive, or even use a URL or web search. Simply select the option that suits you best and choose the image you want. Once you've selected your background, click done. You'll notice your slide immediately updates to reflect your chosen background. Take a moment to preview it and ensure it meets your presentation's theme. And that's it, you've successfully changed the background of your slide in Google Slides. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other slides you wish to customize. Personalizing each slide can help communicate your message more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.